Everyone. Today, let's talk about AV tutorials. AV tutorials has two branches. One is in Hoskas, one is in Connaught Place. It is a 25-year-old institute. So you can imagine how many students they have grilled and made them into good lawyers. We have wonderful team of teachers and faculties, and moreover, the CEO, Mr. Gaurav Bhattara, he personally takes care of all the students and treats them as his own children. Isn't it wonderful to come from one house and go to another house where you don't feel a hitch in asking, what should I do after, when I'm tired or I'm frustrated or, bas ab mujhse nahi ho sakta. So the answer to is enroll yourself in AB tutorials and get the benefit of your lifetime. So let's hear in these few videos, let's hear the students who have just passed out, who are, pursuing law and who have become good lawyers. Let's hear their previews and what they have benefited and how they have been taking care of the students, their little tricks of getting their answers fast, how to solve the problems in maths in a jiffy if you're not good in maths. So we will hear few toppers who have shared their journey with AB tutorials. So let's go. So good afternoon, Vansh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And please, can you introduce yourself before we start with the interview?
Of course. My name is Vansh Arora. I just graduated from Modern School Vasant Vihar. I received my board result in July and was fortunate enough to be the CBSE Class 12 board topper in my school. I scored 98.6%. What attracted me to law was the fact that it can be a driver of change in society. And I've been interested in law and that particular aspect of law for most of my life and have been quite serious about it for the past 3-4 years. I have seen my father do his work, and while I'm listening to him and understanding what he does, my interest deepened and my conviction was hardened to pursue law as a field in the future, as my profession.
Okay, so congratulations for being a topper in your school.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Heartiest congratulations for scoring so well in All India
Thank you, ma'am.
examination. So now we can see a good lawyer and a hard-working, honest lawyer coming up in our society, and
Thank you so much.
we are, our India is going to be safe then, I must say.
We hope so, ma'am.
Okay.
We will all try and make it safer.
Yeah. So now, how long have you been attending classes at AV tutorials?
I first interacted with Gaurav sir for an overseas admissions counseling service, which started around 3 years ago. I met him, but I transferred to the CLAT and I led LSAT Indian entrance examination preparation last May, which was when the crash courses were going on and when for the previous batch, for the 2018 to 19 batch. And I started attending those classes from that point. And well, I really fell in love with the institute throughout my experience of around 2 years, I believe, 2 or 3 years rather.
Oh, like you were really taken care of by
Yes, by the staff, by sir personally, by all the teachers who would give me personal attention, give all the other students equally amount of respect and importance when they had some doubt, even if it was a really small or stupid doubt. Well, no doubts are stupid.
of
So
course.
that's what really made me fall in love and continue with studying in this institute for Indian entrance examination preps.
So how did this, institute help you in your preparation?
The modules given by sir, given by all the teachers, the personal attention, and one of the most key aspects which was done personally by sir was motivation. How he used to come in every 2 or 3 days to visit us during class. He used to talk about how we should focus on completing small tasks and jumping smaller hurdles at a time rather than just focusing on the end game. Like I remember all the students over there were so overwhelmed during the crash course because they were to give the examination in a few weeks time, and sir would come in and say, don't focus on the fact that you have to give the exam in 3 weeks and you have to complete x number of things. Just focus to that you have to complete this one thing in these 2 days or these 3 days. And that really helped me in changing my perspective towards studying and towards preparing for entrance as well as my board examinations.
Okay. So, were there any problems, difficulties that were faced by you during the preparation?
I faced a lot of difficulties during my preparation. Right off the bat, the most major one was when I started going back to school and was attending these crash courses and these classes at the same time, and also managing my tuitions and self study at home. It became a really daunting and overwhelming task. During that period of time, I was really exhausted, really spent because my schedule was really hectic. I would come back from school immediately without even having lunch. I would go for 3 hours study class, then and LSAT, and then when I would come back home, I had my maths classes, and then every alternative day I would do the same thing, just replacing maths with accounts classes or economics or BST classes, and I would just be studying from 7 o'clock in the morning till 11 p.m. in the night during this period. So it really became taxing for me on my health, by both my mental and physical health. So then I went to sir, asked him, what all can be done? How can I better manage myself? Because I've literally burnt out in 3 weeks times because so much energy was being spent on just studying, and I hadn't had any time to even think about anything else rather than relax. So sir told me to take it easy right now because I had a lot of time, a full month at least, full year at least. And then we switched strategies. So instead of studying 5 days a week, we studied 2 days a week together, and then I would spend the rest of my time relaxing or spend the major chunk of my time in board examination prep. So sir was quite helpful in these aspects. Gaurav sir.
So that means like Gaurav sir was a real mentor for you, and
Yes, sir.
he
He
really took
became,
care of
yes, sir. He
little
treated,
issues also.
yes, sir. He treated us all like his own children, and he would come every 2 or 3 days and ask us firstly what's going on in your life, to just get our mind off the study aspect or the daunting tasks that we have ahead. And he would often also discuss with us our small day-to-day problems and help us find solutions for those problems as well.
Okay. So in your journey with AV tutorials, tell us some outstanding features of this organization with regard to the study material and the
In
faculty.
So I would say this institute is all round outstanding. From all the teachers, from Rishabh sir, Rahul sir, Gaurav sir, to even the staff like Priya ma'am, they were all quite caring, quite understanding. They would even they would let us come to them for even the smallest issues, and even when we made excuses, they would understand that where we're coming from, and reduce our workload or increase our workload if we deserve to be punished. So they were quite friendly, quite compassionate, and they had a lot of empathy towards the students. In terms of study material, one striking factor was the fact that the study material was divided into 20 small books rather than one huge book, which played
Ah,
a vital role in motivation and developing a sense of achievement completing a particular task. in the students, because it's very difficult to complete 1,000 pages, but it's quite easy to complete 100. And then after completing those 100, you feel like, yes, I can do this. I can keep going on and finish the next 900.
Yeah,
So
like
that
baby steps, taking baby steps.
exactly, yeah, exactly. One step at a time.
Right.
And so those modules were quite detailed, were quite had, I mean, the best type of questions you could ask for, because they ranged from uh, easy to hard and were given to us in succession. So like logical reasoning, we would get logical reasoning one in the beginning, and then as we advanced and as our caliber increased, we would get logical reasoning two, and all of this was discussed in class. However,
Okay.
as a newcomer, you wouldn't really understand why these have been divided in such a way, because you would feel that, like if you talk to your friends who are in other institutes, they would say they have uh, 2,000 pages worth of GK and logical manuals, while we just had those small ones. And that can really increase the pressure, because, when you feel that you start doubting even your teachers, it can really increase the pressure on an already difficult situation. But it will work out. It's much better than the strategies other centers uses, because, as I said, it creates a sense of achievement and motivates you to do more, to complete more.
Okay. So like we'll move forward, and how did the guidance of the teachers help you to balance your school preparation along with the competitive preparation?
Like I said, that was a huge problem for me in the beginning.
Yes.
It was continued to be a problem for quite some time. There was one period when I actually missed classes for about a month and a half, because I was overwhelmed by all of, I couldn't balance this. But then I went to Gaurav sir, who, told me to understand the fact that CLAT prep, I will only have these many months to prepare for CLAT and these many months to prepare for board. I will need to divide it either equally or give more time to CLAT, because the end game was a result. Result needed to be to get into a law institute. That was my final result. So he helped me chart out a great plan for myself, where I could even take days off if required, or if I felt tired or exhausted. And I was able to manage my board and my entrance examination prep quite well, because of Gaurav sir's advice, and because all of the other teachers really decided to work hard with me to allow me to take backup classes and doubt sessions, to email them personally regarding certain questions I may have. So all of that, as all of these things really helped me balance both my entrance and my board examination prep.
Okay. So in which way the coaching benefited you in building your personality?
So I believe most important was the way Sir approached studying. How it helped me develop a sense of self motivation rather than someone else motivating you. It allowed me to use my own determination to create a sense of motivation and achievement for myself, so that I could accomplish tasks and accomplish what I wanted to, get where I wanted to, without having to be spoon fed or without the support of a million individuals. It made me self sufficient as well. Uh, Also, I believe the when you study with Sir, when you work with Sir, he really drills into every aspect of your personality and tries to elevate that. So it's not a one size fit all type of coaching setup. You go there, it'll take you a month to get your bearings, and it'll take them also a month to get to understand you. But afterwards, all the teachers work with you as if you were in a personal tuition. You was just you were the only child there, and there was no one else. That
Okay, so like it's an individual kind of attention you get
exactly, which
ABT
helped.
tutorials.
Yes, which helped me develop my personality to be goal driven, to be happy even after completing small things.
Oh, that's so good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And would you like to share any memorial experience with the institute which helped you to achieve your goal, or whatever you want to share otherwise also?
I remember, actually, I have three instances. First was my first interaction ever with Gaurav sir. I told you it was about 3 years back. So you know how normally when you go to a counselor, all they do is you want to go to this country, you want to go to this college and this course, and just please help me get in. Okay, we'll take you and do this. That's basic flow of the conversation in such a meeting. But when I met with Sir, quite out of the blue, he started to grill me and he started to attack my belief that why do you want to study law? I was then, aiming for studying law abroad. Why do you want to study law abroad? Why not in India? And, he was judging my answers and he was helping me improve those answers as we went during the course of my overseas coaching. So I still remember my mother was sitting next to me. Afterwards, she would told me to, you should have been a little more quieter because you're talking to someone who's so respected and she's so much senior to you. And all I could think of was I was so passionate about my answers because, and Gaurav sir actually admired that. He said, it's good to be passionate about your answers. It's good. Sometimes passion can be, detrimental, but in such a case where you're talking about yourself, it was good. And it actually became a learning experience for me that, it's not going to be all ice cream and rainbows. It's a tough task and I need to be sure of what I wanted to do. Second instance was, my first day in class. So as I told you, I was enrolled in the crash course initially.
Mhm.
So I was surrounded by students who had been doing this course for a year and a half at least, and who had been preparing for CLAT. So I remember my first logical reasoning class. How sir, there was a lot of class participation and they would ask a lot of questions. So I remember, I think Rahul sir was teaching at the time, and he would ask a question. There was this person sitting next to me. He would answer the questions within a second. Like that's how fast you have to be in entrance exam. And I was just sitting there thinking, I don't even know how this is solved. How can I answer this, Abhi? But then sir told me his strategy, how he molded the person sitting next to me. He told me all about that he was like me in the beginning, and how his determination and how their work together enabled him to answer questions so fast. Last instance was my last, before the pandemic, my final math class. Sir told me, don't worry, you'll get full in whichever exam you take in maths. I felt really proud at that moment because initially, sir would say that be better. He would try and use negative reinforcement quite a bit in the class for some time, because and that was the way to get results out of students. So he would tell us how stupid a mistake we made, just to help us understand and remember that particular mistake so that we never make it again.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Vansh, for giving us your time. And
Thank
we
you so much,
wish
ma'am.
you all the best for your future journey.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I would like to thank the institute for all they've done for me till now, and I'm sure I'll keep in touch with Gaurav sir, and we will also do future projects together.
Definitely. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.